Hello everyone, I'm Ashwin of class 11A.
And I am Sarika Devi of class 11 from Sri Jendra Saraswati Swamigal Golden Jubilee Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Talayuthu, Tirunelveli. The public distribution system is initiative undertaken by the Government of India to provide essential food and the non-food items to the economically disadvantaged population. However, our traditional PDS has faced challenges such as leakages and privileges, corruptions, violations by the PDS dealers such as diverting grains to the open market for the better margins, long queue due to the inefficient operators, irregular shop opening timings.
The problems faced by the public. As a result of inefficient functioning of public distribution system, the common man, especially the poor and daily wage earners, suffer. They are forced to wait in queues for long hours to procure their ration quotas. Some of them are losing their daily wages due to long waits.
To address these issues, our project aims to implement an automated PDF vending machine. So this is our project. It is an automated PDS vending machine. We have tried to create a proto model of the vending machine by using the advanced technology. We seek to evolutionize our PDS by ensuring efficiency, transparency, and the quick distribution of the commodities.
This project helps to reduce leakages and corruption by minimizing the involvement of intermediaries and ensuring direct transfer of subsidy quotas to the beneficiary. As it is an automated vending machine, the public distribution center can function 24/7 hours. The beneficiary can go to the center at any time to procure their goods during a month. This will help to avoid long queues and unnecessary tussle. The components used in the system are RFID card scanner, LCD displays, fingerprint sensor, microcontroller, and menu keypad.
Let's see how it works. RFID card scanner has been installed. It works as the card scanner and it is connected to the LCD display that displays the individual name. When a person comes with the ration card, the individual should place the card on the RFID scanner. The LCD display displays the name of the individual in the card. It sends the signal to the microcontroller.
The microcontroller activates fingerprint module and verifies the biometrics of the individual. The whole module has been integrated into a display which shows the amount of stock allotted to them. Now the individual selects the stock that he wants in the menu pad. The menu pad sends a signal to the vending machine which dispenses the product.
In this modern digitalized India, it is high time that we evaluate our public distributive system. So this is just a prototype. A model can be further improvised using artificial intelligence and the machine learning. This whole system will help to eliminate corruption and efficiency. Thank you.
Thank you.